Today is Friday, August 16th. We've had quite a bit of rain. This is just the video to show the water backing all the way up almost to the house. There's the back of the house. There's my patio. It's backing up all the way up through the grass. Don't want to walk out here because it did smell like sewage the other night. It's got to be at least 6 inches deep over that way. Right behind that palm tree and along the back of the fence is the city easement. This is my walkway. I can't walk through it. My dogs can't use the restroom or go potty. And then over here, this is completely filled with water. Again, I know we've had a lot of rain, but there's no drainage going on this property at all. My neighbors' yards are completely dry. There's my dog trying to go in the mud. It smells like sewage out here, definitely. Again, neighbor's house, completely dry. My house. It's the fire pit. It's almost covered. Here's the back of the house. Here's my flower bed. At least it's getting watered. I have a weird kind of dip here. I don't know what that is. That's about a good 4 inches deep, 4 or 5 inches, maybe more. Back of the house. There's my ladder that goes to my plumbing. Hopefully I can get somebody up there. There goes my dogs walking through. It's been a lovely mess.